Hi, pretty girl. Can you say hi to Daddy? Say Dada. Can you say hi? Say hi, Dada. It is November 10th, a day before Shyla's birthday. And baby just woke up from a nap. She's gonna be up all night. Yeah. Can you say hi to Daddy? Show him your teeth. Show him your two little teethies. Can you show him? Show him your teeth. You can barely see them, but they're there. Hi, pretty baby. Hi, pretty baby. Say Dada. Say hi, Dada. Say hi. Bouncy, bouncy. Show him your teeth. Show him your babies. Show them. Can you see them? It's hard to see them. You gotta look hard. It's all fuzzy. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Say hi, Daddy. Say I miss you and I love you. Hi. Yeah. You love Daddy, don't you? You miss him. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do, silly girl. Yeah, you do. Say hi. Hi.